Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So on today's technique video, I'm just going to go over a few things because I really want to get into foiling. Okay, so over the next few weeks, I'm probably going to do like 3 or 4 videos showing the different ways to use foiling. I have some of the Gina K craft mates, or yeah, is that what they're called? Foil mates, excuse me. And then I have the regular foil that I got from SWMEB, and we're going to be using the double-sided tape, the glue, and you want glue that stays kind of sticky when it dries. And then we're also going to use some transfer gel. I just got this and I'm really interested in using and showing how you can foil on your projects with all these different uh, mediums. Okay, and then here are some of the foil mates I was talking about. I actually got 2 of the same one there, and then each of these already has the toner on them, and then you use the foil to decorate it in the different colors, and then it creates, really nice, interesting backgrounds on your projects. So the main thing with this is we'll be doing foiling with the laminators. We'll do the foiling with all these, the transfer gel, the double-sided tape. I'm also going to show you, because I do have, I think it's the smaller version, the smaller mink. I'm going to show you that too. And then I'm trying to find, with the transfer gel, you can use that with stencils, which is what I was looking for here. So any stencil you want, you would use this transfer gel like you would use embossing paste or stuff like that, and then you go through the laminator with the foil, and you can have like a dimensional foiled projects. And then you could also use score tape. I have this one that the foil works great on. And then I'm also going to show you toner sheets. And toner sheets you can foil and then die cut, or you can even die cut the pieces and just foil the pieces that you want. So we're going to be using all of these and trying to find the best ways possible for you. If you don't have a laminator, if you do, the different ways you can use it. And I'm trying to show you here, it's a purple on the back of these polka dots, and this is one of the foil mates. And this one, it's more of a teal, and you can just cut these in half and they are card bases, and you could just build up your card from there. And then I saved these are the negative of doing the foiling, and you can take the toner sheet, cut it to fit the size of the sheets, and then you'll have the positive on the toner. So you'll have black dots instead of it being the color dots. It would be really cool. So we'll play with that, with all the different foil mates, and it just makes it so that way you're not wasting foil. So you can have it obviously on the foil mates or on the toner sheets, and you can make multiple cards. So we will look at all that as we go along this process. Okay, so definitely keep an eye out. The videos will start on next Tuesday, and thank you for joining me. So just make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And at the very end here, I will have links to previous Technique Tuesday videos. And I hope you guys have a great day.